Today we make coleslaw. First thing, we have 3 items: white cabbage, red cabbage, and carrots, shredded carrots. The first thing, make shredded for white cabbage. It's enough. And red cabbage. Shredded also. This way, very shredded carrots, like that. And make this one mix. Very easy, very quickly, no more time. And make the sauce. What's the sauce? First thing, lemon. This lemon. Some salt. Some sugar. One spoon sugar. And yogurt. Don't put milk. Yogurt, very, very tasty. Yogurt. And mayonnaise. Two spoon mayonnaise, no problem. And some vinegar. And they make this one mix. What's the secret for coleslaw? What's the secret for coleslaw? Is the secret. This is the secret for coleslaw. What is this? This one, white honey. White honey. Only 1 spoon for white honey. And they make this one mix. This is the secret for coleslaw. Very, very easy, very, very quickly, and very, very healthy. And make this one mix like this. And the coleslaw is ready. Coleslaw is ready. If you like this way, please support me by like, subscribe, and share and comment.